I've just managed to get this all set up. We have... Just trying to see if I can see comments live, because I couldn't last time. So if some of you jump online, leave some comments so I can see if that's showing through, so I'm not just prattling away to myself. Alright, we are here today to break the limited Saiyan Saga booster box. This is where it all began. The original Score Dragon Ball Z set back in 2000. I'm sure you all remember running along to the warehouse with your pocket money to get a couple packs. So you're going to be cracking into that today for those who've signed up. What we're aiming for today are, of course, the ultra rares. This is one of the 4 ultra rares. Goku's Truce. So pretty sick if we manage to pull one. And as a special, I guess, gift for those who've jumped into the box break today, we're going to, if we don't hit an ultra rare, then I've got a little duck race set up, and we'll race, and one of you will be going home with an ultra rare today. I can guarantee that. Hopefully it's not my one. Sorry for the glare on that. Alright, without further ado, let's cut into it. Never want to actually hurt the box. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm going to have to crack the limited seal. Oh. Not often you get to open limited packs, although I feel like with Saiyan Saga it was actually easier to find the limited, but nevertheless. Here we go. Now, normally I'd shuffle these up. I don't think there's any placement order to them, but just to be safe. However, you guys seem to jump on and start choosing numbers. So now I feel I need to just go via the numbers that were allocated. So I'll just pluck them off the top in no particular order. So, Saiyan Saga. 9 cards per pack. Foil card in every pack, which is nice, because later on it was one in every third, I think. So, for all the Sagas except Saiyan, if you want to tell if a loose booster pack is limited, you just have a look under the seal here, and there'll be the limited symbol. Saiyan Saga was the only one that didn't do it, and the only tell for loose packs on these is the serial number, I believe. I think it has to end in the 85007 to be limited. Bit of DBZ knowledge there. Alright, first pack. This goes to Joseph Robert Addison. I accidentally thought he was a hacked account on the last box break, so I sold his places. Turns out I just added the hacked account. He still had a real account. So, again, really sorry, mate. But we got you a couple of packs here, so I don't know how the Saiyan Saga works. Where the foil is, we'll just flick through and see how we go. Now I'm going to go quite quickly through these. Oh, there's the foil. 3 off the back. Nice. TN. Really hard to show these foils properly. So chrome. So prone to scratching. Look at that, fresh out the pack. It's got a little line across there. 3rd from the back, alright. Pack number 2. That's Joseph's as well. Oh, I can see a couple of comments coming through. That's good, that's good. A bit awkward in my setup, but that'll do. Now, I think if we go 1, 2, 3 to the front, now we should be good. Power Pfizer Dragon Ball. Red Wrist Control, another uncommon foil. There we go, Joseph. Put those aside for you. Thanks for joining. Right, next we have Will. Will Heisty. Good luck, mate. Was it you who cracked all your packs the other week, Will, after the last box break? It's an addiction, guys. Stay safe out there. Alright, let's go. Oh, cool card. Oh, Saiyan Saga is just so bad but so iconic. Orange shoulder throw. How the hell is that picture a shoulder throw? Just zero effort. There's your rare Dragon Ball capture. Another uncommon foil. Alright, next we have pack number 4 goes to Ryan Davies. Now, let you guys in on a secret. Ryan's had some luck with packs before. Not from pack break, from opening himself. The tinny bastard managed to pull a limited Vegeta Revitalized from a couple of loose Cell Saga packs. Doesn't get much better than that. Let's see if his luck holds. Yamcha. Yamcha the misprint. Only ever a misprint. It's a 4-star, even though it should be an uncommon. Again with the naming. Orange 1 Knuckle Punch. It's just Piccolo taking a shit though. Alright. What we got here? There's your rare. Plant 2 Cyberman. Oh. I saw the Goku. 2 of the ultra rares are Goku's Truce and Goku's Plan. Got a little bit excited there. There you go. You hit a foil rare. That's the best so far. Alright. Pack number 5. Logan Pegler. I gotta say, guys, it feels so good rustling this plastic off them. Alright. Here we go. There's the rare Tien's mind reading trick. Oh, another foil rare. That's nice. Same power drill. Can you see the 5 stars? Alright, that was Mr. Pegler. He was pack 5. Alright, pack 6. Back to Ryan. Last pack for you, bro. Let's see what we can do. Battle pausing. I wasn't a big player of the game, but I believe that was a popular card. It's one of the GKI cards, I think. And the rare, the foil, just an uncommon. Just an uncommon. Or common, I mean. 1 star. Red knee strike. Somehow. That's right. Alright. Pack number 7 is Corey's. Yes, me too, Will. I'm also glad they changed the foils for later sets. This definitely feels like a prototype set. The chrome is hard to see and scratches horrifically. Still, something a little bit special about this set. There's the rare, Gohan's father save, and we have a common foil. Blue hip spring throw. It's Corey. Alright. Pack number 8. Shane Thomas. I was chatting with some of the guys last week after the last break, and pretty sure the odds of actually pulling an ultra rare are about 1 in 12 boxes. Double personality. So I'm not sure if they came in cases of 12, but it's 1 in 432 packs, so pretty difficult. I think it probably makes the ultra rares and Score Z some of the rarest ones to actually pull. Alright, let's see. Goku's Lucky Break for the rare, and Saiyan City Destruction. A common foil there. The Ardians. Right, whose was this? Shane's. There you go. Pack number 9. This is for Josh Susu. Sorry if I'm saying any names wrong. See, Will's asked a question. Am I going to crack all the boxes in the background? Well, that is the question, isn't it? Vegeta's stance. This set did have a lot of cool Vegeta cards. Oh, what's going on here? 2 rares. 2 rares in a booster pack. Random. We've got Vegeta's stance. We've got Piccolo's flight. One of my favourite rares. Piccolo's my boy. And foil common. There you go. I guess that's an error pack. Pity it wasn't 2 ultra rares, eh? That was Josh, number 9, and Josh also has number 10. So yeah, about all those packs in the background. I've got another Saiyan Saga. I've got a limited, and I've got a Trunks, a Cell, and an Android Saga unlimited. So I'm definitely going to crack either the Trunks or the Cell Saga at the Auckland Card Show. I'd like to try do one live. No idea how that's going to work, but I think that'd be pretty damn sick. So I'll probably pre-sell. I'll probably try pre-sell those ones and crack it there. And then whilst there, I'll probably try and pre-sell maybe the Trunk Saga box break to crack later. Because I don't want to miss out on filling all the spots. I'll run a poll anyway to see what you guys think, which one we should break at the venue. Alright, Josh, your rear, Respect the Spirit. And a Straining Ankle Smash. Move. Common, number 39. Alright, pack number 11, back to Corey. As for the other Saiyan Saga box, probably gonna just try sell that as a sealed box to someone now that we've cracked one. And the Android, probably do a box break for that at some point too. Although, maybe open to selling that one as a sealed box or as singles. Be nice to have some single packs for sale as well, for those who want to keep some sealed packs in the collection. Alright, here we go. Corey. Orange neck restraints. 52. I do kind of like that you get a foil on every pack in the Saiyan Saga. Feels a bit shite when you hit nothing in the later ones. Alright, pack number 12. Logan. Third of the way there. Should probably try to go a bit faster. We run the risk of children waking up every minute. Oh, first personality rare. There are only 4 rare personalities in Saiyan Saga, and it's Cyberman level 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice rare. Goku's physical attack. Very playable card. Not that that means anything these days. That's quite a nice pack, that one. Whose was that? Logan's. Oh. Alright, pack number 13. This is Kale. Probably the most keen guy that's turned up in a while. Was talking about finding a case today, but we couldn't even find a picture. Let's go, Kale. Hopefully we rip something cool for you. Not that I think you need any more fueling. There we go, there's your rear. It's only an uncommon, but I've always enjoyed this artwork. Like I said, a lot of cool Vegetas in this set. Alright. Pack 14. Logan again. Logan Pegler. This is your last pack. Yeah, well, you're talking about that Score Warriors Gather tournament that they just had that day. That looked so bloody epic. They put on a great event. They had proper merch and everything. Yeah, if only that was in New Zealand. I think a lot of those guys actually played the game though. They had a full-on tournament because they all used to play it. Oh, we've hit the Great 8 rare again. Fortunately, a non-foil version. Here we go, Carl. What's your foil going to be? Oh, Lamppost Bomber. There you go. Sorry, that was Logan's card. Logan. Alright, who's next? Jono Baker. I think it's definitely a lot easier if you'll just get packs randomly rather than doing set numbers. So we will make that clear next time. Ross Logan asking if anyone collects the Panini cards. But that's what got me into it again, actually. I saw that way back in 2015. Got underway. Sorry, this is John O'Baker's pack now. Got hard into Panini, nearly collected them all, and then basically threw them away and went hard in the score again. Oh, first foil personality. It's the 4-star uncommon Yamcha. Nice. Very minor blemishes too. It's looking in good nick. There you go. That's cool. Good work, Jono. Alright, next pack. Logan Kingsbeer. So I hope I'm holding this all on screen properly. I've taken Josh Huntwheeler's advice and got me a proper stand with a light and everything now, but kind of holds the phone awkwardly, so I can't quite read all the comments, and I can't quite see everything clearly, but I think it's all good. Right, Logan, let's see what we can pull you. I've always loved this card. Don't know why. Just an uncommon. Oh, there we go. Another rare personality. We've hit the level 1 and now we've hit the level 2. Ooh, and the uncommon foil. Nice pack. Fun pack. I like that one. Alright, 17. Richard Watts. Oh, Josh, you're here. Welcome along. Although I suspect you're not doing much, are you? Alright, let's go, Richard. Another cool Vegeta card. Tien. Enjoy a bit of Tien too. Probably my favourite scene when he's blasting Imperfect Cell into the hole. So badass. Bulma finds a drill for the rear. And a Chi-Chi, uncommon, for our foil. Alright. Keeping track. Pack number 18 is back to Shane. There you go. That's one of the most playable cards all through from the very original set. Let me do the shuffle. Oh, a very familiar looking pack. Yeah, another cool Vegeta rare. Dream Machine Battle. All these symmetrical close-up face shots. The eyes of the dragon, the great ape, and this one. Pretty cool. And our foil. Oh, Piccolo. Piccolo defense drill as he's winding up a massive punch. think these card designers were pretty bloody high, eh? That was Shane's. Alright, number 19. Carl Sutherland. Let's go, Carl. Let's see what we can get you. Oh, the quickness drill for the rare. Nice. Uncommon foil. Alright, Kale. Back to you. Pack number 2. I've seen loads of inserts that look like they come from the Saiyan Saga, but obviously not from these booster packs. Gohan Father Save is your rare. Terrible Wounds. Got a rare foil. Nice. What's it, our third one now? My garbage man's going to think some massive man-child lives here. My Aramex driver, on the other hand, is going to think I'm running some sort of operation. Whose was this? Kale. Craig. Craig Toxford. I don't know if you guys have come across Craig and his brother. I think his brother's name is Michael. Those guys been buying stuff off me, off Trade Me for years. It's nice to see you still around. I hear you guys are coming up for the card show. It'd be nice to meet you in person. Just reading that last comment. You reckon those Saiyan Saga ones are from the Frieza Saga booster packs, the Saiyan Saga inserts? Oh yeah. Interesting. Naturally, I'm trying to collect all those as well because they put out 50 different ones or something. Bit onerous because obviously people just threw them in the trash. Oh yeah, another Piccolo's Flight. Hit 2 of those. Almost graded a foil one of these just for the giggles. And our foil, another rare Yajirobe foil. Power gifting. There you go, Craig. Hit the foil rare. It's nice. There's your one pack too. Good stuff. Pack number 22. Back to Kale. Here's your last one, man. I know you're fiending for more, so hopefully we can sort you out with some. I don't know if you're in Auckland or not, but come to the Auckland Card Show. I'll have some single Frieza Saga packs there. Only got 7 though, so you'll have to get in quick. If you really want, you can buy my full booster pack art set, but that's not cheap and probably not worth opening after buying it. Here we go, grabbing the tail. Oh, it's a cool rare, this one, I thought. And your foil. Straining Trip Move. Ultra. Your hunt will continue, Cal. Good luck. Alright. Pack 23. Brandy Allfeld. Good luck, Brandy. I feel like you only just joined the page as well. Nice to see you jumping straight into it. Let's see what we can get you. Oh, Jiao-Tzu. Krillin's Drill for your rear. And Goku's Physical Attack for your foil. Pack 24, Ross Logan. I think Ross is one of the very few who also jumped into the World Games Saga break as well. Still got that here for you. We'll ship it all out together. Yeah, well, those inserts being double-sided is a pain. Especially now that we all use the side loading folders that aren't see-through on both sides. Let's go, Ross. See what we can get you. Saiyan Truce. Another playable card. As bad as this set was, there was quite a few staples that came out of it. And your foil is... oh, again with the Goku named card. We'll try again. Okay, pack 25. Alihana-san. Oh, you're in the World Games break as well. Good luck. Let's see what we can pull. Blazing Anger. There's the rear, another one of those close face-ups. And the foil, damn, common. I think when I got back into this score collection 6 years ago, one of the first things I brought was a Saiyan Saga booster pack box. They were, I think I only paid like 300 or 400 NZ then. So my Saiyan Saga is got a decent chunk of pack fresh cards in it, which was always nice. This is pack number 26. This is also Ali Han's. Good luck, good luck. That feels like the same first card you had before. And the Yajirobe. See, now I feel like these packs duplicate. I'm going to lay out his other pack down just here so we can see how far it copies. That's the same. Oh yeah, that's different now. There's your rear. Plant 2 Sidemen. Oh, and you got the Physical Stance Foil Limited. That's a nice one. That's a nice pull, that. For some reason, the staples still hold their value to today, even though there's about 10 people that play the game in the entire world. So, look after that one. Says Alihan. Right, I'm going to try to tilt my phone so you guys can see. Got the same first 3 cards out of those packs. Same uncommons. Must just be to do how they cut the sheets, or run the packs or something. Alright, nearly there. Pack 27. This is Jesse James. Is this your real name, bro, or a Facebook name? Or were your parents big Pokemon fans? Either way, let's pull you some great Dragon Ball Z cards. You got one pack. This is your one pack magic. Let's do it. Oh, another personality rare. We've hit the 1 and we've hit 2 level 2s. It'd be cool if we hit all 4 levels of the Saiyan. Ah, no ultra. No ultra. You're still in with a chance though. It's looking more and more likely that I'm going to have to say goodbye to my Goku's Truce. Number 28. Nath Logie. Good to see that's your real name. My brother and sister-in-law, I think, unknowingly have the middle child and the youngest child is Jesse and James, and I don't even know that he was into Pokemon. Purely accidental, but I love it. I have to get them some booster packs one day. Alright, this is Nath Logie's pack, number 28. Let's see. Teaching the Unteachable Forces Observation. One of the greatest names of the cards in Score Z. A step behind the millions and billions of itsy bitsy millions. Majin Buu, something. Look it up. Fusion Saga, I think. And the foil is Dinosaur Eating Gohan. Because that sure as heck looks like a red back kick to me. Well, now the other kid's name is just Gemma. That was the first kid. So later on they switched to the Pokemon names. Alright, pack 29. That's Nath, you again. Yeah, there's a lot of names in this break who I haven't dealt with before through Trade Me or through the Facebook page. So it's pretty awesome to see that more and more people are finding us and getting in amongst it. I think we've grown by about, the page is about 2 and a bit years old now, and we've about 400 members, and I think 200 of them have come in the last 2 months. I think there's just a bit of momentum. Maybe Facebook's advertising the group or something. And I think pushing with this Auckland card shows helped too. I think Steve's been pushing a few posts for the group too, which is nice. Nath Logie, a newbie. Did you collect when you were younger? Is this nostalgic for you? Jesse James, what's my Trade Me name? I'm Bittersea Trader on Trade Me. We've got a reference thread or a Trade Me username thread in the group as well. So if you guys ever want to try and dodge some Trade Me fees, check the group thread to see if we've got your name down or got someone's name down. Alright, love that rare. Black Shadow Drew. I do wish they reprinted Saiyan Saga with some, maybe the Frieza Saga foiling or anything really. Alright, Nath, let's see. What's your foil going to be? Oh, Kenkai's uniform. Right, too much talking, not enough cards. Pack 30, Richard Watts. Alright, Richard, let's see what we can do for you. This is your last pack. Oh, let me bring that up a bit more. Oh, another Dream Machine battle. And the foil, another Vegeta. Just a common. So shiny. Thanks for joining, Richard. Still got a chance for the duck race. Pack number 31, Carl. Back to you. Where's your pile of goodies? This is your last pack as well. Got the Dragon Ball. Just trying to whip through it quickly here. There's your rare Blue Life Defense Drill. Oh, another Goku named card. Not the ultra rare. Cool looking card though. That was Carl. Number 32. Jason Smith. You're the only one who hasn't paid, dude. I think I'm going to have to maybe just open that one for myself, because I want to open the whole box while we're here. So I'll just set that aside for a moment and I'll just check my banking again for the last pack there. So I'll skip you for now. Pack 33, John O'Baker. John O. This is your last one too. Good luck. There's your rare Bubba Witch viewing drill. Oh, another 4 personality. Nice. TN level 1. Ross, I see your comment there saying you'll buy that other pack. Let me just, when we get to the end of this, I'll just quickly check my my account and see if he's paid. Oh, those marks are on the sleeve, but nice. Nice to have a foil. Personality. There we go. That was Jono's. Oh, Jono, you hit the foil Yamcha too. Good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, pack 34. Brandy. Your second and last pack. I see your trade offer, Will, and I'll have to politely decline. Right, let's go, Brandy. Oh, I see a little Saiyan there. Ah, level 1. We hit 2 level 1s and 2 level 2s. We've got the Roshi training foil. We hit 4 Cyberman personality cards, just not quite one of each. Alright, Brandy, there's your pile. Oh, here we go. Number 35. Ross Logan, back to you. Alright. Good luck. Krillin's Drill for your rare. And a foil King Kai Kamen. That's also a rare card. Nice. Another foil rare. Nice pull. Nice to get a foil rare. Okay, now lucky last pack, other than pack number 32. So I don't know if we call this last pack magic or not, but let's see. This is Logan Kingspear. Oh, Vegeta's Trick. Cool rare. Cool rare. And the foil is a blue hip spring throw. That Vegeta's Trick foil would have been absolutely sick. Logan Kingspear. Alright. Bear with me momentarily. You can all just talk amongst yourself and have a look at that ultra rare, if that's not glaring the hell out. Well, I just check if Jason Smith has paid. Don't see any messages from you, Jason Smith, if you're watching. And I don't see no payments come in. So Ross, I think it was Ross Logan, you said you want to buy it? All yours, man. You can pay me after this. And you got to pay me even if there's no ultra, bro. That way I'll give you the box. But I kind of want to use it as a display at the card show first, so after that you can have it. Alright, here we go. The actual last pack. Let's go, let's go. My ultra's on the line here. Oh, there's a Cyberman level 3. We only missed out on the level 4. And the foil is, oh, black armbar. Reddit's getting roasted. Is that gonna focus or not? There we go. Alright. That is 36 packs of 24-year-old score Dragon Ball Z cards. Thanks for playing along. So we didn't hit the ultra rare, which means it's time for a little duck race. Let me just see if I can bring my laptop in front here. Okay, a bit awkward, but I think that's working. So I've got everyone's name down there. I've just done it as if you entered, you get one entry. So let's get going. Here we go for the ultra rare. And just watch out if you're going through that airport with effective anti-aging skincare. Booster boxes these days. The hardest thing these days is actually finding them for sale. I think Saiyan Saga Limited is probably the easiest to find. But yeah, or Logan Kingsbeer. I'm sorry, but I feel like it's always bad luck to be out in the lead at this point in the race. Oh, what happens if the Jason Smith duck wins? That's alright. He's gone. Oh, Jesse James. Jesse James. You've got yourself an ultra rare. All yours. All yours. I'll add that to your pile and ship it out to you. Limited too, just so you know, and it's actually pretty mint condition, so I'm sure you'll enjoy that. Sweet card. It's in the plastic sleeve and the hard case, so a lot of glare going on there. Alright. Thanks for joining in, guys. This was fun. Great fun. Here's the chaos, the aftermath. I've just been chucking them as I go. Oh yeah, you just brought the 1-pack. There you go. Good luck. Alright guys. Like I said, I'll chuck a poll up to see which one we want to be cracking. Not you or you at the card show, and then hopefully we can do one live. We'll try to figure out how that'll work. Maybe someone can film for me as I do it. Might be a better experience. Alright, I'm going to bed. Good night.